next method, and that is the graphical method. We have seen how to solve equations with substitution method, elimination method, cross multiplication method, how to solve equations when there are variables in the denominator. Now let's learn the graphical method. Let's take a sum. Solve the following simultaneous equation by using the graphical method. This is not from the textbook. This is just one sum that we have taken for you all to understand what exactly graphical method is, right? X plus 2y is equal to 6 and 2x plus y is equal to 6. We need to solve it. Solve it means we need to find the value of x and the value of y by using the graphical method. Let's see what to do. How to form that table, how to get the points which we spoke about in the concept. Let's see. X plus 2y is equal to 6. Now what we need, as I said, we need two values of x and two values of y that will satisfy this equation. Once we get two values of x and two values of y, 2 points, we will plot it on the graph paper and we will get a straight line. Now how to get those points? Let's see. Draw a table x, y, x comma y. First, assume x as 0. We will always follow this. First assume x as 0, get y. Assume y as 0, get x. Assume y as 0, get x. Okay, let's do it. Let us consider x is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, we get, substitute x is equal to 0 in the equation, we get 0 plus 2y is equal to 6. Therefore, 2y is equal to 6. So, y is equal to 6 upon 2. 2 3s are 6, y is equal to 3. So, when we substitute x is equal to 0 in the equation, we get y is equal to 3 and we get a point to plot 0, 3. Now consider y as 0. Now when we consider y as 0, substitute in the equation, what do we get? We get x plus 2 into 0 is equal to 6. Therefore, x plus 0 is equal to 6. Therefore, x is equal to 6. So when y is equal to 0, x is equal to 6, we get the second point, that is 6, 0. So in this table, we managed to get 2 points which we will plot on the graph paper and we will get a straight line. What did we do? In the same equation, first x as 0, get y, then y as 0, get x. As simple as that. Let's take the second equation and follow the same process. What do we do? First draw a table, table x, y, x comma y. Now what do we do? First take x as 0, substitute in that. When we consider x as 0, what do we get? We get 0 plus y is equal to 6. So we get y is equal to 6. So when x is 0, y is 6, we get a point 0, 6. Right? Once you get y by x is equal to 0, now what do we do? We place y is equal to 0. Right? Now when we consider y is equal to 0, what happens? When y is equal to 0, 2x plus 0 is equal to 6, 2x is equal to 6, you get x is equal to 3. So when y is 0, x is 3, we get a point 3, 0. Now let us plot these points on the graph paper. As discussed earlier, how to make the graph paper? We should draw it this way. Lines, axis, origin, scale, right? And don't forget to write the question number. Let's plot. Let's first plot the first table ka points 0, 3. Where will be 0, 3 lying? It will be lying on the y axis 0, 3. Plot it this way and don't forget to write the coordinates as shown, right? 6, 0. 6, 0 will lie on the x axis. Plot it this way. Don't forget to write the coordinates. Join the 2 points, you get a straight line. That is your equation, x plus 2y is equal to 6. Right? Next table, 0, 6. On the y-axis, 3, 0. On the x-axis, join. You will get a straight line. Don't forget to write the equation on it. Now, as discussed earlier, look at the point of intersection. Mark it. The point of intersection here is clearly 2, 2. And because the point of intersection is 2, 2, we come to a conclusion that x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2 is the solution of the given simultaneous equations. As simple as that. So that's your graphical method. Take one equation, draw the table, consider x as 0, find y. Consider y as 0, find x. Second table, repeat the same, plot the points on the graph paper, don't forget to write the scale, mark the origin, axis, coordinates, write the final answer, the point of intersection, and the sum is over.